Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sounds within the Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are playing the Tekken 3 game on your PC, you will be able to play using your web browser. Now, from your web browser, once you run the game, you can choose from the various different game modes that you can play. Now, if at any time you wish to turn off the sounds, then you will find the volume icon at the bottom right corner. You can just tap on the speaker in order to mute the game, or you may use the volume slider at the bottom right corner in order to manually choose your volume level. After choosing your volume level, you can enjoy your game with your chosen volume, and you may change this setting at any point of time if you wish in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off the sounds within the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.